Hello, my dear. So today I'm going to be sharing how to actually create SEO optimized blog article really quickly with the help of AI. So for that, you need to have your ideal client already researched. You have to have completed 90 days of content in 90 minutes training, because that's going to kind of help you to set the base for that. And you need to complete your defining content pillars training as well, just to have some understanding of what. Let's have a look at the example of working mom that wants to achieve her fitness goals and set up her fitness space in her house. What could be the keywords and the blog post topics for that? Okay, so let me just come back to our research here. Let's ask, what are the 10 content pillars, blog posts, social media posts that a working mom that wants to set a room and achieve her fitness goals would find interesting and relevant? Let's see what it comes up with. How it's going to be used then. So for this one, how it's going to be used then, you go here, you copy paste one of the categories that you want to write about. For example, budget friendly home gym essentials. Okay, let's look. Home gym essentials. Let's go on Google. And we insert. Here is the amazing thing that comes up straight away. What do you need to have a home gym? What are the basic equipment for the home gym? You click on that. Remember, as we were talking, look at the different topic categories. Remember what we reviewed. This is what people are asking on Google on a daily basis. This is the top searched queries on Google. So you need to write blog topics that address those type of queries, including your keywords in them. When we go to Answer the Public has about 3 daily searches. So as you're working through like writing your blog post really fast, maybe combining 3 of them a day, you can actually do 3 daily searches on Answer the Public too. So let's ask the same thing, home gym essentials. What is it going to come up with? Now, that's what it comes up with as well. Starting a home gym essentials, what every home gym needs. What are the home gym essentials? Why is home gym equipment so expensive, and so on and so forth. So you see how many people are asking questions. So these are all your potential blog topics for this type of content pillar. So if you do this research first and you identify 10 questions, these are your 10 blog topics on this specific category. So you already have 10 pieces of content and the blog topics to address. So now let's go back to keywords, okay? Because we want to ensure that these blog posts are SEO optimized as well. So we're going to use the first one here. What do you need to have a home gym? Okay. So I'm going to go back to the ChatGPT, and I'm going to write. Okay, so I've written, I'm writing a blog post on a topic. What do you need to have a home gym for a working mom that wants to set up her fitness? I am writing, so I'm putting in the ChatGPT, I'm writing a blog post on a topic. What do you need to have a home gym? The first topic that we saw on Google, right? Remember, you need to take each and every one of them, what people are asking for, and put in your list for future blog posts, okay? What is the best piece of equipment to start with a home gym? There are multiple different variations, and this is only for one content pillar, okay? So now we go here and we see what ChatGPT answered. They said, ChatGPT answered, here are some high-ranking keywords for your blog post on setting up a home gym for working moms. I think if we are going to use all of them, let's see what kind of content it will come up with, because it's going to weave in those keywords in the content already. So let's see if it can draft a blog post that is readable, and weaving those essential keywords. So now I have asked this kind of question. Can you write a 600 words? Because the 600 words blog post is a very detailed blog post. Also, I wouldn't recommend blog posts of less than 300 words because Google will not pick up on this topic. So we want to make our blog post as long as possible, so Google actually has the time to crawl it and rank it on Google. This is very, very important. So I would recommend to have blog posts around 600 words. So I specify this to ChatGPT as well. Can you write a 600 words blog post on a topic? What do you need to have a home gym? Weaving in those keywords that he suggested. Also, please optimize for SEO. Separate blog posts in sections for H1. H1 means heading 1. So when Google is crawling the page, you need to ensure that you have H1 listed on your pages. These are like headings, because Google is actually reading those headings and then understanding the topic of your content and then deciding how to rank it. So to have the H1 in size is very, very important. So here it is. Here it comes up with the blog post already written for you. What do you need to have a home gym? You know, it has the introduction, it has, you know, home gym essentials. It is essential to start with. This one is H1, and this one is probably H2 heading because it's smaller. Home workout equipment. This is where you can actually weave in your top 3 products on home workout. You know, best home gym equipment, home gym setup guide. You know, this is where you can add maybe your free guide and ask them to subscribe to your email list. Now, creating your home gym, you know, the ideas, space planning, budget-friendly options, tailoring your home gym for busy moms. As a busy mom, you know, convenience and efficiencies are the key when it comes to fitness. Here is how you optimize your home gym setup for your busy lifestyle. You know, and it gives you the content completely. Now, I wouldn't take this content at face value and just copy paste it like that on your site. I would also analyze it and maybe add some, you know, human touch to it. You would copy paste it maybe in a list where you keep your all your blog posts, and then, you know, review it and optimize and make sure that it makes sense from the human standpoint, because ChatGPT just weaved in a lot of keywords. So you want to make sure that the sentences are structured in a way that, you know, a human will understand and find valuable for them. Then when you go to your blog posting platform for WooCommerce and WordPress, it sits within the posts, you know, and when you go to all posts, you can just, depending on the theme that you are using, you can either add the blog post with the Elementor or have a, you know, or write it directly in the WordPress system. So then you go to add new post here. And you see here what pops up is the Yoast SEO plugin that is available for WooCommerce. And I'm sure that it's available for the Shopify platforms as well. This is very, very useful. So remember, we've added about 10 of these keywords, okay? So the free version of the plugin actually allows you to select one focus key phrase and optimize this content for that, which is even going to boost your Google search engine optimization and Google rankings, okay? So for example, we've selected the key phrase, home gym for busy moms, okay? Then your SEO title has to be exactly the same. home gym for busy moms, your slug should be also similar because that's your key phrase. The rest of the keywords he's going to pick up as well, but you want to make sure that you have one of these. Then you add your meta description. So we can actually ask ChatGPT to create this for us, okay? For your SEO, I'm going to be using key phrase home gym for busy moms. Can you please create a meta description? Sure, here is a meta description optimized for your SEO plugin. So you just copy paste it here and you add it here. Okay. Now it's a bit long. I think it's like something like 50 characters. So we just have to remove some of that and maybe put, yeah, 3 dots here. So we need to actually give ChatGPT that it's only 50 characters long. You know, we update the SEO title because that's what they're going to be seeing when they're going to be landing on that URL, when it's going to come up on Google. Now, you can see here, now we don't have first text. First, we need to add the text to the blog. The title is this, so let's just copy paste the title. Okay, so now SEO actually analyzing, your SEO analyzing, performing the analysis, what else we need to do in order to improve the SEO. Don't forget that you have added already other keywords, but this is the key phrase, the main key phrase that we are actually using. So your SEO is optimizing for that. So you can see it has some suggestions. So first you need to add outbound links, which means outbound links, the links to some external website. So maybe your even Instagram account, maybe you have a YouTube channel, or you have some other articles that you find valuable for them. Maybe actually Amazon affiliate and you want to add some workout books. So this could help you to earn the affiliate commission as well. So that could be like, because Google actually loves when there is a lot of linkage going through the blog posts. It doesn't like the blog post living on its own in the internet space. So it likes to be having internal links and outbound links. Internal links meaning you are linking another blog post or some other pages or your product pages to this blog post, okay? And of course, the images are very important. And the images will have an alt tag that will need to be added the same as your SEO title, okay? And then it also suggests that you distribute key phrase in a subheading sections, okay? More than 75% of your H2 and H3 subheading reflect the topic of your copy. That's too much. It actually saying it's over optimized. So ChatGPT went a little further and actually over optimized the article. You see what he means: home gym essential, home workout, best home gym, home gym, home gym, home gym, home gym. It sounds really, really robotic. So maybe we remove home gym and add budget-friendly options, or home gym equipment. Remove the home gym wording again. Organization tips. Let's leave it like that. And you can see our SEO score already going in green. And this is what we want. We want SEO and readability to be in green. Okay. We can even go to readability here, and it says only 20.8% of the sentences contain transition words, which is not enough. So we can even go back to ChatGPT and ask them to add some transition, more like say 5% more of transition words. So we go completely in green here. And yes, so we only have images to add, some outbound links and internal links. And that's your blog post is SEO optimized. Okay, so that's it for this topic. If you have any questions, please attend weekly Make It Happen calls to address this implementation question further. I know it's been a lot of information for today, but that's how you SEO optimize your blog post and make sure that it will rank on Google really well. Hope you find it useful. Talk to you soon.